Samsung fans, hold on to your seats because the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be the smartphone of 2025. With every leak, every teaser, and every confirmed detail, anticipation is at an all-time high. This isn't just another flagship, it's a bold declaration from Samsung that innovation has no limits. Starting with its design, Samsung has taken a giant leap by adopting a titanium frame, replacing the traditional aluminum. This shift elevates both the durability and the premium feel of the device. Complemented by Corning's Gorilla Glass Victus 3 on both sides, the S25 Ultra is built like a fortress without compromising aesthetics. The titanium white and silver color combination is already turning heads, and additional options like titanium black, blue, and gray ensure there's a shade for everyone. The display is a visual masterpiece. At 6.9 inches, the dynamic AMOLED LTPO2X panel delivers jaw-dropping Quad HD Plus resolution at 3120 by 1440 pixels. With an adaptive refresh rate ranging from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, it redefines smoothness and clarity whether you're gaming, streaming, or scrolling through your favorite apps. Samsung has set a new benchmark for smartphone displays. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, built on a groundbreaking 3nm process. This beastly chip includes a next-gen Orion CPU, Hexagon NPU for advanced AI tasks, and an Adreno GPU that promises unparalleled gaming performance. Storage options start at 256GB and go up to 1TB, paired with 12GB or 16GB of RAM, ensuring that the phone meets the needs of casual users and power users alike. Photography enthusiasts, get ready. The S25 Ultra features a 200-megapixel ISOCELL HP5 main sensor with an f1.7 aperture and optical image stabilization, ensuring incredible detail and vibrant colors even in low light. Supporting this powerhouse are a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. Together, they offer a level of versatility and quality unmatched in the market. Video capabilities are equally impressive, with 8K recording at 30 FPS and 4K at 120 FPS, making this a dream device for content creators. Battery life is another stronghold. With a 5,000 mAh capacity and support for 45-watt wired charging, the S25 Ultra ensures longevity and quick recharges. Paired with One UI 7.0 based on Android 15, the software experience is nothing short of revolutionary. With features powered by advanced AI, including an upgraded Bixby capable of predicting your needs, Samsung is doubling down on convenience and productivity. And with 7 years of promised OS and security updates, the S25 Ultra is built to last.